everybody and welcome to a new English video lesson. In this lesson we're going to be talking about the present simple tense. Also said simple present tense. So this is our objective today. After watching this video, you will be able to use the present simple tense correctly when you write or speak in English. Okay? So let's get started by reading some examples. He always drinks tea at breakfast. We often watch TV at night. They drive to Kuwait every summer. Water freezes at 0 degrees. The earth turns around the sun. All these examples are in present simple. So let's have a deep look at these examples to know when people use the present simple. I want you to read the first 3 examples and tell what they have in common. Let me read them again for you. He always drinks tea at breakfast. We often watch television at night. They drive to Kuwait every summer. Well, by looking at the meaning of each sentence here, you will find out all these 3 examples are talking about regular actions or habits. Am I right? And we use the adverbs of frequency here, like always, often, and every, to show how frequently we do the action. Okay, let's look at the last 2 examples, which are obviously not talking about the regular actions. Water freezes at 0 degrees. And everyone knows it's a fact. And the earth turns around the sun. It's also a true fact. So it's clear that these examples express facts or truths, right? And this is another use of the simple present tense. So to sum this up, we could say the present simple tense is used to express habits and regular actions, and it's also used to express facts. Clear, right? Now let's move on to learn how to form the simple present tense. And this requires us to have a look back at our examples. Here again they are. Okay guys, I want you to go through these examples and find out how the verbs are formed. In the first example, the verb is drinks, right? In the second one, it's watch. The third, drive. Then freezes. Then turns. What have you noticed, guys? Huh? Well, I myself have noticed that we've used the base form to form these sentences. And there are some verbs with s or es in the end. And that's what we call the he, she, it rule. Whenever we have he, she, or it as a subject, the following verb takes an s. For example, let's have a look at the verb play. So we say I play, he plays, she plays, it plays, they play, we play, you play. Another example, the verb eat. I eat, he eats, she eats, it eats, they eat, we eat, you eat. Clear? And this holds true with any verb you could think of. Let's have a look at this chart. This chart summarizes what we've said. To form the present simple tense, you just need to write the verb or write the base verb with the subjects I, they, we, and you, or with any plural subject like students, kids, etc. And add s or es to the verb with the subjects he, she, or it, or any singular subject like Ali, Salma, etc. But the question here is, When do we add s and when es? To answer this question, let's give you some spelling rules to make it clear for you. Rule number 1. If the verb ends with o, sh, ch, ss, x, or z, we add es to the verb. Examples: go becomes goes, wash, washes, catch, catches, cross, crosses, fix, fixes, buzz, buzzes. Clear? Good. Rule number 2. If the verb ends with a vowel plus y, just add s to the verb. Do you know, guys, what vowels are? We have 5 vowel letters in English: A, E, I, O, U. Okay? So, examples of this rule: play, plays, enjoy, enjoys, say, says. Rule number 3. If the verb ends with a consonant plus y, remove the y and add ies. And consonants are all the letters except for the vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Any letter except for these 5. Okay? Examples: study, studies, carry, carries, marry, marries. Everything is clear, guys, right? Okay, practice time. Complete the following sentences with the present simple tense. So there's a verb in brackets in front of each sentence here. Just use the correct form of it. Now pause the video and do the task. Now check your answers. Great, guys! I hope you now know how to use the present simple. But before I leave, I want you to take a screenshot of this chart and study it very, very well. See you later. Bye.